Today I'll be breaking down exactly how to find the repair costs for your wholesaling real estate deals, how to find ARV, and how to exactly know how much to offer to your motivated sellers so you can make a ton of money wholesaling real estate in 2026. My name's Zach Ginn. I make over $1 million every single month wholesaling real estate, and I've been wholesaling for over 9 years. And what I want to do today is share with you exactly how you're going to use AI to figure out how to find your repair costs. Now, for my 9 years in the real estate investing and wholesaling real estate space, I have known that I don't know everything. Okay, I'm really good at finding deals. I'm great at selling them. I'm amazing at making money wholesaling, but I'm not an expert general contractor. But you don't have to be. You see, my general rule and the reason why I produce more millionaires in the wholesaling space than anybody else is because I stick to one simple rule. If you get the property locked up for low enough and you can sell it and make a 50 grand spread, you don't need to know about repairs on the roof and the painting and the AC. Remember, your cash buyer is the expert for that. If you got such a good dang price, it's all you really need. You gotta remember, real estate wholesaling is a free market economy enterprise. And what that basically means is you're selling something for a price more than what you got it under contract for. And if they accept it, great. You gotta remember, with most of your wholesaling deals, maybe you lock it up for 200K and you have a buyer that says, I'll pay 240 for it. Maybe if you say no to him, give him the middle finger, you might be able to irk out and find another guy at 250, or you can find another guy at 220. You don't know. You're taking the certainty right now to make your $30,000, $40,000. So you don't need to be the complete crazy expert when it comes to your deals. What I want to do is I don't show any of my active deals I'm going on. So I'm going to show an older deal I did in Sarasota, Florida. So this is a property here I did 2031 Cass Street, and looking at the HUD here, it looks like I made like a little like $3,333.33. We split 10 grand between 3 parties here. I had 2 guys right here, Maximus and Dorozel, and they were struggling on a deal and they couldn't get sold. They sent it to me. I found a buyer. We made a little bit of money here, and this was a deal where it's not like a big buyer of mine, so I can kind of share the address here. But what I want to do is show you the pictures of the property and show you how on a JV deal like this, I could figure out roughly how much the repairs are on a property like this without doing crazy comping or anything insane. Like, as you're seeing from the pictures here, it's a pretty rough deal. And I thought it was a really cool deal. Again, I like to go back like a year or 2 back because I don't like showing active deals I'm doing because y'all love to steal my deals. But this was a property that was listed on the MLS for 400 grand, locked it up for 265 and sold it for 275. And that was a really good discount on the MLS. So they were trying to get 400 for it. They obviously couldn't. Then we got it under contract for 265 from them off market. But I might be like, oh my gosh, Zach, this sounds so stressful. How did you figure out roughly what the repairs are, the offer price, and how much a buyer would be willing to buy it for? And again, deals like this, I don't do many deals in Sarasota. So this was actually pretty simple for me to do without knowing anything. So let me show you exactly my secret tactics on finding AI repair costs that nobody's really talking about anymore. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do something that I know sounds insane, but I'm just going to right click, copy. I'm going to paste this into ChatGPT, and I'm going to proceed to copy and paste all the pictures of the property on ChatGPT here. Yes, I know I'm a genius. I know you've never heard about this before, and I'm kind of kidding, but I'm also not at the same time. How good AI is at figuring out what the repair costs are. So let's go out here, copy these pictures really quick, copy, paste. Now I pasted the pictures on here, and what I want to do is just tell the AI, this is pics of, so the address on here, 2031 Cass Street. I'm a wholesaler. If I want to get top dollar selling this on the MLS, what are the repair costs? Also, what is ARV? And tell me how much I should be at an MAO and how much I need to lock it up for to make $10,000. Now, you're literally doing this all with Zillow and AI. And what the AI is going to do is going to analyze the images of the property. They're going to figure out exactly how to bring this up to a really nice condition, the floors, painting, possibly the roof, to figure this all out. Now, you might be like, Zach, how in the world do you figure out how old the roof is? Does this roof need to be replaced or not? The first and foremost thing, and these are MLS pictures. I like how they're not showing any pictures pictures of the roof, which is already obviously a red flag for me. But while this AI is running right now, I'm going to go to the Sarasota County Property Appraiser, and we're going to search this property, and all we're going to do is just look for permits for the roof. Now, you have to actually get a permit in Florida for a roof. So actually look at the property and see when the last permit for a roof was done here. So I'll put the address here, 2031 Cass Street. And again, government data is obviously going to be cream of the crop we need here. So we could go down here. So it's not on there. So I got to go on a permit search here, search the property, search for permits on the house. And when I look at this, looks like there was a request service here in 2016. Looks like it was just a complaint here. So as you can see here, when it comes to a roof permit, the re-roofing was done in 2003. And you see there's no more roofing permits. That means this is 2026, right? That roof is 23 years old. When I'm calculating the repairs, especially here in Florida, this being Texas, anywhere else, this property is probably not going to be insured unless it has a new roof. And this roof is 23 stinking years old. It's kind of interesting there's no pictures of the roof there, right? So now we know that this property actually has to go out here and get a new roof. So we're going to calculate that in there too. Let's go back to the AI here, and it's telling me the exterior, unknown age of the roof, interior, dated but clean. And so it's telling me that the repairs are going to be 1218 for the kitchen. Not wrong there. Bathroom remodel. They're looking at what it probably needs there. Roof, depending if it's older or not. Light cosmetic, no roof. With roof, it's gonna be at 15. So it's telling me that probably the rehab budget on this thing is gonna be about 45 to 50 grand. They're actually not wrong there. Probably with roof, without roof. You see how it's actually saying, does it need a roof or not? Looking at the permit search here, I remember most wholesalers do not go out here and look at this information. Then they go try to send a really bad deal to their buyer. And the buyer's like, dude, you're an idiot. Like, it's an extra 15 grand. You didn't calculate that. I'm just trying to make my money, bro. And sellers they can lie sometimes. Hey, I don't know if you know this, but sellers can absolutely lie to you. And what I've seen with sellers is they're going to pretend that you know everything. And I didn't know. I gave you a price to assume the roof is really nice and clean. When in reality, the roof was not nice. The roof was not clean. And it was actually a complete mess. And the seller's going to try to take advantage that you don't know much about the roofing, because you could have gotten a $20,000, $30,000 discount based off of the roof, which then you could have got a better deal to your buyer. And if you give good deals to your buyers, they're going to be buying more deals from you. So right here with a roof, it's going to be about 45 to 55 grand right here. It's doing all the math for you. It's figuring out what the kitchen is. It knows exactly what it needs. Does the calculations in the area. ARV 330. So this AI, and this is why I'm saying, for most wholesalers that are brand new, this ChatGPT is absolutely disgusting, because it's spot on the ARV. Because when they listed on the MLS last year, they listed it because of an idiot realtor for the ARV. And this happens all the time in wholesaling, where the realtor is going to list it for the ARV, even though that's the actual repair value. Well, the repairs haven't even been done on the property, and they're still going to do this. Mind-blowing, ridiculous, the stupidest thing ever. But yeah, this ARV, oh my gosh, this is a mess. So yeah, doing a quick calculation. I'm not a fan of the 70% rule. This is where I personally will defer to my own calculations here, but it's telling you investor MAO of 200, which again, I don't agree with that, because we locked up this deal for 265 last year and made some money. So again, the 70% rule does not actually work here with ChatGPT. I don't know why it does that, but it does give you a good repairs. I would personally do is use my personal repair cost estimator. I would use ChatGPT to get some estimates in there. So I'll show you how to do this. So if you join my free real estate wholesaling school group, freewholesaling.com. So if you go here to freewholesaling.com, you can also go to school.com/wholesaling. Just look for the photo of me and Hermosi right there. And all you got to do, go to your freewholesaling.com, go to the classroom section, go to the ARV section, and there's going to be a how to calculate offer repairs. I would just go to the how to find repair costs and go to our little calculator right here. And I'd skip all this stuff. I would use AI right now. And what I'm going to do is we're going to put the ARV through 330,000. We'll put a $45,000 repair cost estimate, and it will create a MAO of 256. So you might be like, well, Zach, this specific deal you did, you locked it up for 265 and sold it for 275. So your calculation's wrong. No, this is a deal from a year ago. Remember, I don't want to give away my best buyers. And this was one of the deals where I sold it to a non-repeat buyer. So I don't really care if you figure it out or not. But this specific deal right here, the ARV was not 330. Remember, real estate in Sarasota year over year is down a whopping 8.3%. So when I locked up the deal, it was 8% higher the ARV. So that means on a $330,000 property times 1.08 roughly is about 356. So 356 here, 356, we had an MAO of roughly 279. That's why I found a buyer at 275, made my 10 grand, walked away, right? You see, I was right up the money here. So this is showing, and this again is proof. Again, this is not scripted. I used a deal from a year ago just so I don't get in trouble. Y'all crazies don't steal my buyer. Also had a flex to show you I do deals all over the country, but I just wanted to show how perfect my magic MAO calculator is inside of Wholesaling.com, because I don't use the stupid 7% rule. I've told everyone it doesn't work. And this is absolute proof. So 8% higher, real estate's down 8% year over year. And I had the ARV of roughly 356 on this property, needed 45 grand in repairs. I calculated MAO of 279. We locked it for 265, found a buyer at 275, made our 10 grand. That is exactly how my wholesaling real estate operations go, especially for my JVs and in markets I don't do a lot of deals in. So this is showing you how within 10 minutes, I have a perfect, absolute, bellissimo, arrivederci, beautiful calculation on how much your deal is worth. And between you and me, because I had the fancy lighting and I had to look all sexy for you today, if I was doing this in my underwear at 2 a.m. in the morning, I could probably get it done in about 2 minutes, just being honest with you. But because I had to get the lighting and make it all look good and explain it to you, besides me just typing it, it took a little more time than usual. But guys, you can do this in like 2 minutes and figure out really simple and easy. So this is my easy, simple way to do it. Remember, this MAO calculator, I have my secret sauce behind here. Just do me a favor. Go here to freewholesaling.com, the word free, the word wholesaling.com, links in the description, or just go to school.com/wholesaling. Just look for the picture of me and Hermosi, and go to classroom, go to ARV, how to find repair costs, click right there. This will do my calculation. Now, with what I taught you, you can skip the first part about it. Just go to the MAO calculator, put the ARV, put the repair costs, boom, you're good to go. There's no crazy software, there's nothing like that. This is all completely for free. Guys, if you've got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.